हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ओनली जॉब्स। तो गाइस, इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले एक बहुत ही अच्छी जॉब अपडेट विच इज़ फ्रॉम बायजूस। एंड गाइस, वीडियो में हम वही सब कुछ डिस्कस करने वाले जैसे कि व्हाट विल द पैकेज और सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस, एवरीथिंग वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इन डिटेल। सो उससे पहले गाइस, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर लेना ताकि मैं इसी जॉब नोटिफिकेशन की वीडियोज़ रेगुलरली अपलोड करता हूँ। And guys, let's see our job update which is from Byju's. Okay, so guys, Byju's is hiring for business development associate role. So this is guys basically a Google form. So which is you have to fill to apply for the job update. So here you have to put your name, email ID, your primary contact number, alternate number. After that your age, highest qualification. So guys, here see you can see highest qualification, which branches are eligible for the job like BE, BTech, BBA, BCom, BBM, BA, BCA, MBA, MCA, MTech, ME, MCom, MSc, BSc, B Pharma, others. So guys, if you are graduate from any stream and you have good communication skills, you should definitely check out the job update. And if you are not interested in technical jobs, so this is a really good opportunity for you guys. So here you can see graduation year 2011 to 2021. And after that, if you are 2021 batch pass outs, then you can select appropriate options apart from this, like exams completed, results awaited, or results declared, exams pending and not applicable. So guys, if you are not 2021 batch pass out, you can select last option which is not applicable. Here you have to choose your mother tongue. So these are some languages they have mentioned here. So guys, here they have mentioned fluency in English are at 4 or 5. After that, gender, select your gender. How many year of sales experience do you carry on paper? So yeah guys, uh, so you can select your experience as per your, and here you have to select sales experience, means in which particular type you have a sales experience, like sales experience in B2B like business to business, B2C business to customer, no sales experience. Role in previous or current job, so you have here options. If you are working currently, fixed compensation, you can select your compensation and attach your resume guys. So I would suggest you to customize your resume according to this job profile. If you are coming from technical background, uh, you can add related communication skills, like add some sales certification or anything like that, and you can submit this form. So guys, basically Byju's will give 10 lakhs per annum package, and during training you will be paid 3 lakhs per annum package. Your training will be approximately 1 to 2 months, and during training guys you will be getting in hand salary approximately 20,000. Yeah, 16 to 20,000 you will get in hand salary. So yeah guys, if you are interested in sales field and you are coming from technical or non-technical background, yeah, you should definitely check out this job update. But I will also tell some downside of this. So guys, work culture here is not that much good, and it is not your fixed job. They can fire you if you don't come up with sales. So yeah guys, you can uh, get an idea of what kind of job this is. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Hope you like this video. Share with your friends who are currently job seekers. Yeah guys, goodbye, thank you.